I'm with Ruch Builders. We're here at the Vesta house that I'm building for the show this year. And real quickly look at a couple of things on the outside. Everything in this house and in the show is going to have a level of green. And starting outside of my house, we'll kind of talk about some of the green aspects of it. We'll walk this way. The siding and all the cornice is cement fiber by James Hardy, which is actually a Color Plus product. It's got a 15-year warranty on the paint that's already on it. Comes from the factory that way, and it's a great aspect because when it comes out on site, it's a finished product once it goes up. All the house has been wrapped in the James Hardy house wrap, every bit of it, including behind the siding all the way around. You can see that. It's hard to see, but you can see down here at the bottom of this window that's flashing. That flashing goes all the way around. The window has been caulked and then set in there, so you get a complete seal around it. And then all the flashing has been taped around the window across the top and down the sides so that it's correctly put in. And with that, we'll go ahead and step inside. Yeah. Before we go in, I want to show you this door. It's from Quantum Entries. It's a solid steel door. It's got expanded foam insulation all the way around. It's very efficient energy-wise, as well as looks really good. It's a heavy door, it feels really solid, and it goes well with a very solid built house. So let's go in and take a look. This window here is from JELWIN. It's a high-efficiency window. Got a fenestration rating for U value of, I believe it's about a 0.29 and a solar heat gain of about 2.1. Excellent window quality. I think what you notice about the window is as you look all the way around, and there is foam caulking all the way around that helps seal it up. And one thing about the window is we put them into the opening in the wall that allows for the window to be set so we can foam all four sides of it. The other thing that you cannot see here, but in the header we've actually put as a spacer 2 or 1/2 inch Dow foam board. And that gives you a good solid insulation up there. Kind of put a thermal break between the wood. So if you look at that, you can see how this has been caulked in there and sealed. Gives you a really airtight window, which is very important, obviously. We're keeping the expensive air in and less expensive air out. The attic now, and I want to point out a couple of things that we have done in here to help insulate and put the seal around the house, basically the thermal seal. This here is a Dow blue board. It's got an R3, and this is attached to each of the studs. You can kind of see the stud patterns here. Every place where the joints come together, we have added an expandable foam to make sure we seal that up really well. On the other side of that, what you can't see, because it's already covered with sheetrock, we have blown cellulose insulation into the cavity. So effectively, you're getting an R value of over 17. That's a little bit better than that, but typically I'd figure an R17, which is a very good R value for a 2x4 wall. Something else you can see while we're in here from the attic, if we got Tech Shield, and this is consistent throughout the whole house, and that is basically a radiant barrier that's on the back side of the OSB decking for the roof, and that blocks out 90+% of the radiant energy that's trying to get into here. It actually reflects it back outside. So you don't get as hot up here in the attic, which is significant, because you can see here, we've got mechanical ductwork. And obviously the less heat is in the attic, the less gets transferred to the cool air that you paid for and gets into the house, or vice versa, whether it's cold up here. So a few things you can see here that's significant when you're talking about a green built house and tightening up the seal of the house and doing some things to keep the energy either in or out depending on the time of year it is.